Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ella Sentika. I'm student from University Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Today I will explain about Journal of English for Academic for final exam academic speaking course. The title of the journal: Evaluation of Software. Tell me more for teaching English. Technology Acceptance Model Approach. The first, introduction. In the process of English language teaching, readers, teachers, and lecturers try to engage the students to follow and understand the material effectively. One of the ways to achieve the learning objective is by using the media. Now, the availability of learning media are very much beginning from the conventional to sophisticated media. In the application, the utilization of computer can be more interesting if it is combined with the software, because if the computer was not supported by the good software, it will be useless. One of the software application is Tell Me More Performance. Tell Me More is the worldwide pioneer in dialect learning computer program with more than 9 million fulfilled clients worldwide. Around 25 years, Tell Me More has been an imaginative force within the field of the dialect learning. In this case, one of the colleges which use the Tell Me More in teaching English is Universitas Muhammadiyah Metro. All of the students, especially in English major, the students must follow interactive learning in the language laboratory for 3 years. It was heaven because to be a great candidate of English teacher, it is needed to have qualified skill, whether in receptive or on productive skill. And then next, technology acceptance model. Technology acceptance model basically conducted in investigating the issues in affecting users' acceptance of modern technology system. Perceived is of use. Perceived is of use. The individual's recognition of how simple the advancement is to memorize and to utilize. Attitude towards use. Davies revealed that the attitude towards use as the degree how the individual is and relates the target framework with their work. The yield of the assessment handle takes the shape of acknowledgement or dismissal towards innovation. Behavioral intention. Crescenzi in Irfani reveals that behavioral intention can be defined as a strong effort from the individual to try or plan to use some particular technology products. The act of using the technology from someone can be predicated from the attitude of his attention towards certain technologies, such as having the motivation to persuade other people in order to use technology. And next, method. This research applies the quantitative methodology. It means that the data collected and analyzed statistically based on students' score from each technology acceptance models or TAM variables. The samples of this study were the students of the third and the fourth semester of English education study program in Universitas Muhammadiyah Metro. The next finding and discussion. In finding and discussion have 5 parts. The first, the influence perceived usefulness to attitudes towards use in setting software. Tell me more. And then the influence perceived is of use to attitudes towards use in setting software. Tell me more. And then the influence perceived of usefulness to behavioral intention in accepting software. Tell me more. And then the influence of student attitude to behavioral intention in accepting software. Tell me more. And then the influence perceived is of use to perceived usefulness in accepting software. Tell me more. The last part in conclusion. This research is focused on recognize the influence between the variable of technology acceptance models or TAM. In summary, the results of linear regularization analysis compare the 5 hypotheses. Attitude toward use had the highest influence the behavioral intentions takes after by the positive influence of perceived is of use in using software. Tell me more. Okay, I think enough for my explanation, and then thank you for the attention, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.